Welcome back to Nuance Art, a channel where home design meets soul, nature, and timeless beauty. In today's video, we're exploring a truly inspiring concept, a rustic stone house with polished driftwood, a tiny home design that feels both ancient and modern at the same time. This is the kind of home that doesn't chase trends. It honors nature, craftsmanship, and intentional living. If you love warm interiors, natural textures, and spaces that feel calm and grounded, this design is for you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Nuance Art, give this video a like, and comment below to tell us which natural material inspires you the most: stone, wood, or both. These small actions help our channel grow and allow us to keep sharing beautiful home design inspirations with you. Now let's step into a world where stone walls tell stories, driftwood glows with quiet elegance, and tiny living feels expansive, meaningful, and deeply connected to nature. At the heart of a rustic stone house lies a powerful philosophy: living with less but living better. Tiny homes like this aren't about sacrifice, they're about intention. Stone represents permanence, strength, and grounding, while polished driftwood symbolizes transformation, shaped by time, water, and patience. Together, they create a design language that speaks to nature lovers who value authenticity over excess. This style encourages us to slow down and reconnect with our environment. Every wall, beam, and surface has purpose. Instead of artificial finishes, the home embraces imperfections, natural cracks in stone, unique grain patterns in wood, and organic textures that can't be replicated by machines. This philosophy aligns beautifully with sustainable living, reducing waste and celebrating reclaimed materials. In a world of fast design and disposable interiors, a rustic tiny home reminds us that beauty deepens with age. It's not just a house. It's a lifestyle rooted in mindfulness, balance, and respect for nature's rhythm. The exterior of a rustic stone house immediately commands attention, not through extravagance, but through quiet confidence. Natural stone walls blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape, making the home feel as though it has always belonged there. The color palette, soft grays, earthy browns, and warm beiges, reflects the tones of the land itself. Unlike modern facades that rely on paint or glass, stone ages gracefully, becoming more beautiful over time. Moss, subtle weathering, and texture add character rather than detract from it. For tiny homes, stone also provides excellent insulation, keeping interiors cool in summer and warm in winter. Paired with wooden window frames or driftwood accents, the exterior strikes a perfect balance between strength and warmth. This kind of design doesn't shout. It whispers elegance, stability, and harmony with nature, qualities that resonate deeply with those seeking a timeless home design. Polished driftwood plays a starring role in this tiny home design, acting as both structure and art. Once shaped by rivers and oceans, driftwood carries a history that no factory-made material can match. When carefully polished, it reveals soft textures, flowing lines, and warm tones that contrast beautifully with rugged stone. In interiors, driftwood can be used for ceiling beams, stair railings, shelves, headboards, or even custom furniture pieces. Each piece is unique, making the home truly one of a kind. Driftwood adds warmth without heaviness, lightness without fragility. It bridges the gap between rustic and refined. For nature lovers, it brings the outdoors inside in a poetic way. More than decoration, polished driftwood tells a story of resilience, transformation, and quiet beauty, values that align perfectly with timeless tiny home living. timeless tiny home thrives on smart spatial planning. In a rustic stone house, the layout is often open and fluid, allowing natural light and visual flow to expand the sense of space. Thick stone walls are balanced by high ceilings, exposed driftwood beams, and strategically placed windows. Instead of dividing rooms with walls, designers use changes in material, elevation, or lighting to define areas. A stone fireplace may anchor the living space, while a driftwood dining table subtly marks the transition to the kitchen. Built-in storage carved into stone walls keeps clutter hidden, preserving a clean and calming atmosphere. Every square meter is intentional, ensuring functionality without sacrificing beauty. This thoughtful layout transforms a small footprint into a cozy sanctuary that feels generous, welcoming, and deeply connected to its natural surroundings. Light plays a crucial role in enhancing rustic interiors. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors invite sunlight to dance across stone textures and polished wood surfaces. As light shifts throughout the day, the home feels alive. Warm in the morning, serene at noon, and intimate at dusk. Earthy color palettes amplify this effect. Soft whites, clay tones, muted greens, and sandy neutrals create harmony rather than contrast. These colors don't overpower, they soothe. In a tiny home, this palette prevents visual clutter and promotes calmness. Driftwood's natural hues reflect light gently, while stone absorbs and diffuses it, creating balance. Together, light and color transform the interior into a peaceful retreat, ideal for nature lovers seeking refuge from noisy, overstimulated environments. One of the most inspiring aspects of a rustic stone tiny house is its commitment to sustainability. Stone is often locally sourced, reducing transportation impact, while driftwood is typically reclaimed, giving new life to materials shaped by nature. These choices significantly lower the home's environmental footprint. Natural insulation, passive heating, and ventilation strategies further enhance energy efficiency. Many designs incorporate rainwater harvesting, solar panels, and eco-friendly finishes like lime plaster or natural oils. Sustainability here isn't a trend, it's a principle. By choosing materials that last generations, the home rejects disposable design culture. This approach resonates strongly with nature lovers who want their living spaces to reflect their values. A sustainable tiny home proves that beauty, responsibility, and comfort can coexist effortlessly. In a timeless tiny home, furniture is carefully curated rather than accumulated. Each piece serves a purpose and tells a story. Handcrafted wooden chairs, stone-topped tables, and linen textiles complement the rustic architecture without overwhelming it. Decor is minimal but intentional. Ceramic vases, woven baskets, and nature-inspired artwork add personality while maintaining simplicity. Driftwood sculptures or branches may act as focal points, blurring the line between furniture and art. This less but meaningful approach enhances the sense of calm and clarity. Instead of visual noise, the space offers breathing room. For interior design lovers, this style demonstrates that elegance doesn't require excess, only thoughtful choices rooted in authenticity and craftsmanship. aesthetics, a rustic stone house with polished driftwood creates a deep emotional connection. It feels safe, grounded, and nurturing, like a quiet embrace from nature itself. This type of home encourages slower mornings, mindful routines, and genuine rest. The tactile experience of stone under your hand and wood beneath your feet anchors you in the present moment. For many, this lifestyle represents freedom from clutter, stress, and unnecessary consumption. It's about choosing quality over quantity, presence over pressure. This emotional resonance is what makes the design truly timeless. It's not just visually beautiful, it supports a healthier, more intentional way of living. A rustic stone house with polished driftwood is more than a tiny home. It's a timeless design inspiration for nature lovers who crave authenticity, warmth, and balance. Through natural materials, thoughtful layouts, and sustainable choices, this style proves that small spaces can hold immense beauty and meaning. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Nuance Art, and comment below with your favorite element of this design. Your support helps us continue sharing inspiring home and interior ideas rooted in nature and art. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next Nuance Art video, where beautiful spaces tell meaningful stories.